4 best cabinet refacing materials in the Bay Area. Are you looking to give your kitchen cabinets a much-needed facelift? The experts at JV Cabinets Inc., the Bay Area's top cabinet refacing company, explain which 4 materials work best for this project. 1. Solid wood. One of the most common cabinet refacing materials is wood. You can easily revamp your kitchen with wood cabinet refacing thanks to the different varieties available, including pine, teak, and mahogany. Pros and cons of refacing wood cabinets. You can customize it however you like and give your cabinets a fresh new look that fits your style. Prone to rotting, cabinets may face damage from excessive moisture. Requires more maintenance. You need to keep protective varnish on the cabinets to protect them from moisture, chemicals, and other harsh materials. Costs more than other options. Solid wood isn't as budget-friendly as synthetic materials. 2. Wood veneers. This material is easy to work with and, like solid wood, allows you to customize the front of your cabinets to your liking. Pros and cons of wood veneers. The benefits of using wood veneers lie primarily in cost and versatility. Since this material features thin pieces of wood, it is also susceptible to rotting over time. You'll need to invest your time and money in maintaining these cabinets so they continue to look great over time. Finally, wood veneers are fairly difficult to install on cabinet boxes. 3. Medium-density fiberboard. Medium-density fiberboard blends tiny wood particles together using resin or glue and bonds them to the surface with heat and pressure. Pros and cons of medium-density fiberboard. Medium-density fiberboard gives your cabinets an elegant look like solid wood, but at a more affordable price. Best of all, paying less doesn't mean you'll have a lower quality product since this material is more durable than particle board. Refacing your cabinets with medium-density fiberboard does leave the cabinet doors and drawer fronts susceptible to chipping over time. 4. Rigid thermofoil. This material is very similar to a 3D laminate since they both contain a piece of medium-density fiberboard with a vinyl film that adheres to it. Pros and cons of rigid thermofoil. The material is of higher quality than 3D laminate and features a seamless look that makes it nearly impossible to tell the cabinets are refaced. Rigid thermofoil is perhaps the most durable option since it's non-porous. How to choose the right cabinet refacing materials. Determine your budget. When it comes to cabinet refacing, solid wood tends to be the most expensive option, while medium-density fiberboard are more budget-friendly. Consider your kitchen design. Having a vision for your new kitchen cabinets is crucial before starting a refacing project. Long-term care and condition. Before refacing them, figure out which material offers the best long-term value and resists rotting. Let JV Cabinets Inc. restore your dingy cabinets. Whether you are considering a full-scale kitchen remodeling project or simply want to revitalize your dated cabinetry, our team can help. Our contractors will transform your cabinets for the better, whether you decide to use wood, medium-density fiberboard, or another material for the project.